I want to watch my iPad and it's not charged. Well, sweetie, you need to charge your iPad. You got to be responsible for your things. Mom can't do everything. I forgot. How could you forget? Love, this is really your responsibility. When this kind of stuff goes down and you pick up the rope by saying, oh, it's not charged, I forgot to charge it, you should always charge it, you know you need to be responsible for your stuff, any of that kind of stuff, we take away the opportunity for our children to be agentive and to have power. We also walk into like these gross battles and like whining situations that nobody wants. So instead of walking into this, return the power to your child and respond this way. iPad's not charged. Oh, wow. That's disappointing. That's it. Don't say anything else. You really don't have to. Allow the child some space and opportunity to do the problem solving. You might even like look over at where the charger is, or you might tap the charger. Hey, but I'm not going to do it for them, right? I'm going to give the child enough space to stand up and take the iPad to the charger, solve their own problem. When you parent your child this way, especially your reactive or explosive child, you give them an opportunity to resolve their own problem. And when you do that, they're going to feel more agentive in their life. They're going to have more control over their world, and they're going to stay better regulated. Now, if they continue to whine, they're like, I don't know, I can't find it. I don't know where it is. You were supposed to do that. I might bend down like this, and I might say like, oh, regular voice. Okay, so now I've given them a cue, and I would say it just like that, regular voice. And they may correct themselves. If you have never done this, you may need to give them more than that. So you might have to say, regular voice, I need a charger. Now I'm giving them the words, okay? I'm not saying use your big kid words or you figure it out yourself or anything like that. I'm telling them exactly what they could say to me that would be, or exactly what they could do that would be more productive. Regular voice, I need a charger. And then again, wait time. I'm going to give the child the opportunity to resolve the problem and go find the charger. If your child needs more support than that, then we can talk about what more support looks like, but that is the place to begin. And beginning that way is the way to reduce the times of conflict and help your child stay better regulated across a range of emotional states, which is what we want. Sure, I can give you the tools about what to do once your child is having a full-on meltdown on the floor because their iPad isn't charged. But that's not going to help because once they're in full-on meltdown, you have to wait through it. What we need to do is figure out ahead of time how to have fewer meltdowns. Link is in bio if you need more help.